Hey guys, last time we see that I have some air leaks, so I picked up a gasket maker. Let's get to it. My name is Mate, welcome to the channel. If you wanna see more E36 videos or wanna see what kind of repairs I do to this M3 to get it back to a good state, then hit subscribe, followed by the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Now let's get to this air leak. Removing the air filter housing, the air collector, the runners, the two wipers, the cowl, and moving the wiring. So I will clean up the surface of this, apply the gasket maker and put everything back. It's the day after, as you can probably tell. I managed to put everything back together. It was already dark, so I did not manage to catch everything on video. I took a drive around town to check out the performance, and my idle is a bit better, but it's still far from being perfect. While this was an issue, and it contributed to my rough idle, I don't think it was the root cause. Offload RPMs are still going high, but instead of 2.5k it is now 1.5k. So I'm still looking, and I will still search around and try to find what is causing the rough idle. Still, I hope it helped someone out. If it did, press subscribe, followed by notification bell so you won't miss any new video.